What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how you can make money using your Cricut. If you watched my previous video, I showed you all of the materials that you can cut using this one powerful machine. And y'all, now comes the fun part because I'm going to tell you exactly what you can do to make money. If you want to find out how to make money using your Cricut, keep watching this video. And if you enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below and turn on all those notifications if you don't want to miss anything I've got coming your way. So that's enough talking, y'all. Let's go make some money with our Cricut. Before you just jump in and start making stuff with your Cricut, I highly suggest that you do a little bit of market research first. And what that means is you're going to want to look and see what's popular. What are people buying? What is selling on Etsy? You want to do a little bit of background work. You don't want to just jump in thinking that something is going to sell just because you like it. And also check out your local Facebook for sale pages. A lot of people are selling things on there, and don't copy somebody else's designs. Just look what's selling, see what's out there, see what people are looking for. Also look at the trends that are for sale in your local stores. Like what's for sale at your local Bed Bath & Beyond, what's in Marshall's. What are those hot trends that you can cash in on? Now, another thing you want to think about is your profit margin. That's going to be something that is super important. You don't want to spend $20 on supplies and just sell it for like $25. You want to at least make enough money to cover your time and your effort as well as your supplies. So you want to really think about your profit margins in your research. The second thing you're going to want to do is to think about your branding. Don't just jump out there and start selling something. If you want to make this a legitimate business, you really want to think about your branding. What colors do you want to use in your logo? You really want to make it look professional. If you want to get top dollar for the things that you sell, you're going to need to work on your branding. So now that we've got our branding figured out, we've done our market research, now we can start creating. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite things that I have made and sold for great profit margins. Okay, so let's start off with some things that are pretty obvious, and that is using the premium vinyl. You can put premium vinyl and you can make custom stemless wine glasses. You can make custom beer mugs. The beer mugs I've seen on Etsy for anywhere between $10 and $15, even $20 a piece. The stemless wine glasses are about the same. You could even add some fun glitter to the bottom of this and add in someone's monogram, and it would be super cute. Now, another thing that you can do with these, and y'all, these just came from the Dollar Tree, so I've got minimal investment, and my profit margins are going to be really good for these. Another thing you can do if you don't want to use just the premium vinyl is you can etch it. So you can actually use your Cricut, and you can cut out a stencil with the removable vinyl, and you can use some glass etching cream, and you can actually etch someone's initial or monogram or their logo. Anything you can think of, you can etch into these glasses if you don't want to use the premium vinyl. I think it's a great option to be able to give your buyers either the choice of the etched or the vinyl look. And again, these glasses came from the Dollar Tree, so my profit margins are going to be through the roof. Another fun thing, especially around Christmas time, are these night lights. I pick up these night lights at the Dollar Tree and I make what's called a Santa cam. So you can cover this in your premium vinyl and make it look like it's a camera, and you can fool your kids into thinking it's a Santa cam. These Santa cam night lights, people sell anywhere between $10 and $15 depending on the detail of it. And y'all, you've got just a few dollars investment in it. So this is another great profit margin item. So now I want to talk about some things we can do with heat transfer vinyl. One of my favorite things is to use the makeup bags and put heat transfer vinyl on them because my daughter's an esthetician, so she's always looking for fun gifts for her esty besties. Isn't that cute? You can put a logo, you can put a name, you can put a monogram, you can put anything you can think of. All right, y'all, so now let's talk about the infusible inks. I love the infusible inks. They're so fun. You get that bright colors, but the materials are actually like fused together. It's so amazing to watch this infusible ink work. It's like by magic, it just absorbs into it. This is a pillow that I made at Christmas time for my daughter for one of her Christmas presents. I paired the leopard print infusible ink with a glitter vinyl. Isn't that pretty? I think it turned out so stinking cute. Now you could sell these pillows like this for probably $30 or $40 a piece. Easy. Anything you can put with a monogram on it, you're going to be able to get premium dollar for. Another fun option to do with your infusible inks is to make a custom coaster and mug set. Cricut offers the brand new mug press now, so that means you could actually use your infusible inks on both the mug and your coasters now, and that is super exciting. When I made my sets at Christmas time, the mug press was not available, so I can't wait to get that mug press and start playing around with it. But using the premium vinyl is a great option too. Another fun and super profitable item you can sell are custom acrylic keychains. You can buy bulk keychains on places like Amazon, and you can usually get 30 pieces for around $13. So that means they're like, what, 30 cents a piece or something like that. And people are selling these on Etsy anywhere from $5 to $10. So that is an excellent, excellent profit margin. Something else that you really need to think about is offering things for brides-to-be and babies' first birthdays. People spend so much money on these kinds of things. I ran across some baby bibs on Amazon, and you can get 10 baby bibs that are blank for around $8. And when you personalize these baby bibs, you can get anywhere from $5 to $10 a piece for them, depending on the design. So that is going to be an excellent, excellent profit margin. You can offer personalized bridal glasses. You can offer personalized t-shirts for brides or birthdays. There's so many options when you target those brides-to-be and also those first birthdays. One thing that I really enjoy making that's super profitable are earrings. I cut these out of the genuine leather, so being able to offer your customer something that is real genuine leather means they're going to get a quality product. The key to getting top dollar for your crafts is going to be using quality materials, and anytime you can say you're using a genuine leather, that means your profit margin is going to be through the roof. Now, I can get approximately 15 earrings out of this one sheet of leather, and you can sell these for around $20 a piece. Another option for earrings is to do one color, and then you can engrave it with the brand new foil kit that Cricut has come out with. That means you would have half the amount of supplies in that, and you can offer that custom option for your customer. Aren't those fun? Now, something fun and a little bit different that you could offer with your craft board is to make custom packaging. If you want to make custom boxes for small things that people might be selling, it would even be fun to offer custom packaging for earrings, you know, the little cutouts that your earrings hang on. Don't think that everything has to be retail. You do have the option to offering wholesale things to your customers. Something else that I've done in the past is cheer bows. If you don't know what cheer bows are, y'all, it is a whole animal in itself. My daughter used to do competitive cheer, and I made so much money making cheer bows. Being able to offer someone those customized bows, they'll pay anywhere from $20 to $25 for one bow. If you look on YouTube, there's tons of tutorials on how to make cheer bows, but y'all, that is a super profitable business. Something super profitable to make with your party foil is going to be custom confetti. If you take a look on Etsy, you see that custom confetti is a high profit margin item. You're only going to have a couple of dollars in your confetti, and then by the time you design it and cut it, you can turn around and you can sell it for $15 to $20. And think outside the box. Think about bridal showers, how you can use the bride's name. You can also use it for baby showers with the baby's name or first birthdays. There are so many options out there for custom confetti. What a great profit margin. A lot of people also like to use custom confetti when they make the glitter tumblers. So also think about that, and you can market your custom confetti to those tumbler makers. Something else that is super profitable is paper flowers. It only costs just a few dollars for your cardstock that you would use to cut out your paper flowers. You could offer these already assembled and sell those this way, or what would be another fun way that you could save on shipping would be to offer them where they could put them together themselves. You could even put together a quick video to show your audience or your buyer exactly how to put that together, and that could be another revenue stream for you. How fun would that be? The cardstock comes in so many different colors, and you can offer different styles as well as different colors to your buyers. Something else that is super trendy right now are felt flowers. You can cut out your felt flowers using the Cricut felt here. This felt is really nice. You could even offer these by making headbands. These would be super cute on a picture frame. If you wanted to make custom picture frames, you can let your buyers choose the colors. They can choose their flowers. This is something that could be used in a baby's room. There's so many options out there for using felt flowers. Felt flowers on Etsy sell for big money. Don't believe me? Take a look for yourself. Okay, y'all, I hope that gives you some ideas of the money that you can make using your Cricut. The Cricut is definitely an investment, and if you use it for your business, you can always write that off at the end of the year, so be sure to keep that in mind. Now, one thing that I'm not sure if you're aware of, Cricut does offer what's called Affirm, and that means that you can apply for this credit, and you can actually pay your payment out in installments. That way you're not pulling out all of that investment up front, and you can pay it out over time. So just know that that option is out there if you're interested. That does it for today's video, y'all. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got those wheels to turn in and you're thinking of all the things that you can make using your Cricut. Y'all, the possibilities are just endless. These are just a few that I have personally done in the past. I know there's so many more out there. Just try to think outside of the box, and don't forget, you need to think about your branding, and you also need to do your market research before you just jump in and get started. I can't wait to see what you make with your Cricut. If you've got some other ideas that you want to share with us, be sure to leave those down in the comments below. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.